My name is Zhi Yi Yeo, Research Associate at DDL Research Lab, and I'm here to tell you about the ClimActor package that was developed by DDL Research Lab. The ClimActor package was designed to simplify and streamline the data cleaning process when working with non-state climate commitments. As more non-state actors such as cities, companies, and regions commit to climate action, more initiatives and databases recording such climate action has also been more commonplace. Actors can commit to multiple initiatives, however, with slightly different names. On top of that, disparate actors can also have the same name. Two examples would be New York, which could refer to either New York City or the state of New York, or London, which can refer to London in Ontario or London in the UK. These discrepancies make data cleaning more difficult than it should be and can also result in overcounting of climate commitments if not accounted for properly. ClimActor package was designed to simplify these discrepancies and also to make the data cleaning process more manageable. On top of that, the ClimActor package also provides a contextual database including over 10,000 subnational actors committing to over a dozen climate initiatives. Information such as the population and the number of initiatives that each actor has committed to provides a snapshot of climate action taken by cities and regions globally.